Hey there, Patty. Here you go. This is the off. Down here is just regular on when you're running it, and down here, the very bottom, is the choke. So to do that, push this down, pull the trigger, and push the choke down. And then you want to make sure this is ready to roll, because this is like a safety device. So it's going to make the chain move. If you push it forward, it's going to lock, but right now that doesn't do anything for starting. So you want to make sure it's in that position. Fuel in here. Chain oil in here. And once you got that, it's starting is about 15 seconds maybe. So I have it locked in the choke position, foot on here to hold it firm. And my weight's on here. I'm going to pull it 2 or 3 times until it just sounds like it's starting. So here's 1, nothing. 2, it's kind of hard there. And so it kind of like almost sounded like it's going to start. And then we move this up to like halfway. Still put our foot in here and pull. Pull the trigger and ready to roll. And you push up to stop. Okay, partner. This was the second video. The first one didn't come out that well.